going there, it's just a job. So I'm talking about big companies where they have a lot of processes, where people are demotivated by the organization. So what I can understand what you're saying is very appealing for people who really like programming, and if they go back to the original fun while doing this programming. But what happens when you're going with these ideas into a big companies that is not used to work in this way? What is the acceptance level?
Well, as I said, software craftsmanship is a rather young movement. It started in US, and we already see some acceptance in US. There are corporate retreats, for example. So people who went to code retreats made their own code retreats inside the company. We have the same thing in Romania. After the 7th code retreat, we got about 3 code retreats at various large companies like Adobe or, I don't remember, Microsoft, I think. So it will probably grow. It's not going to happen overnight, that's for sure. But I hope it will grow because it's a good way of working.
There are various directions regarding the software craftsmanship movement. There are some persons that initiated the movement that are trying to convince companies that it's a good way to improve their products and their results. But there are other guys like Corey Haynes that prefer to work with individuals. And I also prefer this approach. It's about becoming better as an individual before going in a company and waiting from the managers and waiting from, I don't know, someone